punch.
What's it up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're in Gympie, which is like an hour and a half from where I live. But my friend Jake said that he would paint my Silvia for me, and I'd rather give business to a friend than a random shop and pay a large amount of money. But anyway, so we're gonna go find him. Gympie is basically, it's like a MILF at the moment. 35 and fucking hot. Anyway,
More than 35.
Yeah, it's definitely more than 35. But anyway, we're gonna go find Jake and unload this car and see how upset he is about how shitty my car is. Did I look cool?
You got in pretty quick, so. You look way less cool now. Huh?
You definitely put the ramp stand in here?
You put one down. Yeah, you good.
Alright, let's go look at these. Jake just gave me like 400 options of what glitter I want to put on the roof. So, oh yeah, anyway, this is Jake. He owns Mixed Image Customs up here in Gympie. If you live near Gympie on the Sunshine Coast, use him. Don't be a dick. We're going to walk out in the sun and see what these look like, and then I'm going to try and pick, which will probably just be like a coin toss.
Yeah.
What do you want to start? Oh, this orange actually looks really cool. Whoa. Dude. I reckon that's like pretty close to the...
That's cool because it's got like other pigment colours in it.
Yeah, that's really cool. I dig that. I feel like I'm gonna just like all of them though. Like, I'm like, this is sick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like a reddish colour.
Yeah. Alright, now we get onto the fun stuff. Purple and pink should be cool. Whoa, yeah. That's sick. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like you got a decision to make.
Yeah. I don't know.
I like this one.
Yeah, I reckon that's sick.
That does have the orangey colour to match the car.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it does throw really nice like golds and reds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, even like a little bit of greeny gold.
It
Yeah.
is.
It's got everything in it. That's really, really, really cool. But then like pink glitter's fucking awesome.
Yeah. That's honestly one of my favourite glitters.
Yeah, that's intense too. Hey Dave, look at it in the sun.
Yeah.
Look at all like the shimmering like fucking deep purple and pink in it.
Yeah, true.
I mean the car's already got a lot of orange on it, so
I'd be going to contrast. Stand up more.
pink.
Yep.
Stick to that. Pink, pink ass.
Sick.
Oh. Let us know when to chuck this trailer. vlog don't stop, bro.
Just to show you how fucking hot it is. The tar's melting and you can see where you drove the car in. And I got it on my finger.
So shiny. That's so weird.
Damn.
Nice. What is up, guys? It's now Monday after Friday. So yeah, we dropped my car off on Friday. It is now Monday. As you can see in the background, I have picked up my car because it is done, finished and painted, which is insane. Jake is really fast. We're back at my shop now. I didn't get much video when we were there because we're kind of in a rush to get back to work because it is Monday and we have stuff to do, orders to get out, check out the merchandise, etc. But yeah, so we're going to unload it from the trailer and then we'll get it into the sun and do some video showing off the cool parts of it, and kind of want Dave to do it on his Sony because it'll actually capture how fantastic the car looks, basically, is the idea. Anyway, we're going to unload it and then go from there. Just got Dave over here doing all the hard work.
As usual.
As usual. There you are, that's it. Is this working for you?
Definitely not.
Anyway, so this is what the car looks like in the sun. Just if Dave doesn't have any videos for me. But yeah, it looks amazing. So this is actually, oh wait, my shadow's in the way. So the base color here actually has like a metallic in it. We did change the color slightly from what it used to be. It's a little bit darker shade, but it's still similar burnt orange sort of deal. And then we added glitter to the roof. So it's got a pink flake through it. And we changed the mirror color to silver with a pink flake. Very cool. And my cool front vent now has a little silver patch with a bit of flake in it. And everything kind of fits a little bit better than it did before. Except this front bar deal, I need to screw it in somewhere so it doesn't move. But yeah, it's crazy that my car is now all one color again and looks awesome. Oof, looks so cool having those two cars together. Yeah, I don't know if it's in the video anyway, but I am like beyond stoked with this paint. It's been so long since my car's been all one color. It actually looked good. So this is like mind-blowing and I literally can't get over it, and I can't thank Jake enough for hooking it up. It's sick. So yeah, I guess the next step is to finish the livery design.
Yay.
Start the livery design.
Yeah.
And then, and then we can get this car stickered and looking amazing. But yeah, that's for later videos. I know this video is probably like a little bit short, but that's because it wasn't a lot of work that I was doing on the car. Thanks for Jake for all the clips that you did send me that I can put in here. And yeah, my shitty S13 missile is now slightly less of a missile car. Slightly. Anyway, thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, check out the merchandise, and we'll see you guys hopefully next week. We'll see what happens.